Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we'll learn a very interesting thing. Actually, we will learn how to find a square of a number. Uh, Not by multiplying, actually, this is a kind of short trick video. Okay, so now let's just start without any delay. So finding a square. So if you want to find a square of any two-digit number, so first I'm telling you, if you want to find a square of any two-digit number, how you can find it out. So to finding two-digit number square, you need some prerequisite knowledge. These are like square of one digit number, like one square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is like 3 times 3, which is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, like those. And I guess you know all this. So now let's just start two digit square. So first we're learning two digit number square. So if we have some number, let's just say 28 square. So what we can do is we need to write this digit as separate square, just like 8 square is 64 and 2 square is 4. So I'll write like every number I will write in two digit. If 2 square is 4, so I'll write it as 04. Okay, and one more step you need, that you need to multiply all this digit, like 2 time 8 time this square, also this 2. So whatever you got, like 2 times 8 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32. So you need to add this 32, leaving the last number. Okay, you need to add 32, leaving the last number, like from here. Now you add 4 and nothing is 4, 6 and 2 is 8, and 3 and 4 is 7. So this is your final answer. So 28 square is 784. Okay, now let's take another example and understand this. So let's just take a big number. If you want to find 47 square, okay, so what do you need to do? First you need to write 7 square, which is 49, 4 square, which is 16, like separate numbers square you need to write. Okay, and the next thing you need to do is you need to multiply all the digit, like 47 we have 4 times 7 times this square number also, which is 2. Okay, now you multiply this one, 28 and then 256. Now you can add 56, leaving the last digit. Okay, from here, now add them together. So 9, 0, 2, and then this is also 2. So 2209 is your final answer. I hope you understand this rule. So you can apply this rule in any two digit number. It will not work in three digit number. Okay, so any two digit number you can apply this one. Now we'll learn some more rule of finding square. So this rule actually applies. So which rule we are going to learn right now? So that rule actually applies on number which is very closer to 100, because that rule is base and deviation rule. So let me just write this, base and deviation rule. So this rule will actually apply on number which is closer to 100 or closer to 1000, because we are going to learn two type of square. Okay, so a number which is closer to 100, let's just say 107 or 106. Let's just say 107. Okay, so 107 which is closer to 100, so base is 100. Okay, and what is deviation? I'm writing D for deviation. Deviation means this number is how much big from 100. So this number is 7 big, like 7 number greater than 100. Now what is the next method? So the base number is 100, deviation is 7. So you need to write the number 107, okay, this side. Since the base is 7, so you need to add this 7 here. Sorry, the deviation is 7. So you need to add this 7 on 107. And then in this side, you need to multiply 7 with 7. So 7 times 7 is 49, okay. And this side, if you got 114. Now club them together and write them 114, and this side 49. Now, one most important thing is this side, when you multiply the deviation number, 2 digit is only allowed here. Okay, since we have 2 digit only, so this is very much easy. So 2 digit is allowed in this side. Let's just take another number. You'll understand this also. Mm, okay. Let's just take another number. Okay. So if we have 115, okay, we want to find its square, 115 square. Okay. So what we need to write? We need to write 115 here. Since this 115 is 15 bigger than 100, so I'll add 15 on it, and then after 15 times 15. Okay. So 15 times 15 is basically 225. Okay. And this will give you 130. Now, I said 2 digit is allowed only, but we have 3 digit here, right? So this last digit you need to add on it, like 130 and this 2. So it will give you 132 and bring it down as it is like this 25. Okay. I hope you got this one. So this all this number, we take this two number and this all are more than 100 or greater than 100. Let's just take some number which is lesser than 100 even. So if I take some number which is lesser than 100, let's just say 96 or 94. So what we need to do on that case? So if we have 96, so you can do that one by the first method which I taught you, like the square of 2 digit number, and you can do this one even by base and deviation method. So if you want to do base and deviation method, so base is actually 100. This is very much closer to 100. And what is deviation here? Deviation is like negative deviation we have, like it is 4 lesser than 100. So negative 4 is actually the deviation. Okay. Now what do you need to do? So 96 is lesser than 100. So we need to subtract this deviation number like negative 4. And then this side same, like 4 times 4 we need to do. So this is 16 and this will give you 92. Now club them together. So 92, 16. You can check with your calculator that is correct or not. And you'll find it correct. Okay. So this is the method how we find it out. Okay. Without multiplying by using base and deviation method. Let's take another number, or I'm giving you a question that is your task. So comment below this question's answer. Okay. 87. So 87 square. You will comment me on the chat. Sorry, on the comment box. I'm saying chat box. So in the comment box, and remember 2 digit is allowed. Whenever you 3 digit, you need to add 1. That number on this one. Okay. And this number also 120. Let's just say 25. Okay. This number is square also. Now let's just learn about 3 digit, or like I'll say 4 digit, which is very much closer to 1000. Okay. So if a number closer to 1000, let's just say first starting with 996. Okay. This number is very much closer to 1000. Okay. So base is 1000. What is deviation, my dear? So deviation is how much it is lesser than 1000? It is 4. So negative 4. Now what do you need to do when we have less than 1000? We actually subtract. So 996 subtracted by 4. Okay. And this side what you need to do? This side you need to multiply the deviation, like 4 times 4. Okay. So 4 times 4 is 16. And this number will give you like 992. Okay. Just like in base 100, we are allowed to take 2 digit. Okay. But here we are allowed to take 3 digit. If there is no, like we don't have 3 digit, then we need to make it 3 digit by applying zeros. So we need to take 3 digit here. So this is 16. So we will write this as it is 992. Since this is 16, so I will write it as 016. And this is your answer, this final. Okay. I hope you got it. Next one, let's just take another example. This is a learning video. Okay. So that's why I'm not speaking so fast. So you learn this one and you apply. in your like calculation. Now let's just take next. So if you have some question like which is very much closer to 1000, like 1012, let's just say, okay. So what do you need to do? So you know here that deviation is 12 because 1012 is 12 bigger than 1000, right? So what we need to do? We need to write 1012 plus 12 because this is 12 bigger, okay? And this side you need to multiply 12 with 12. So 12 times 12 is 144, and this side it will be 1024. Now this is 3 digit already, and we are allowed to take 3 digit only. So now you club them together, 1024 144. Okay, so this is your final answer. And now you think, if you're going to multiply this 1012 with 1012, how much time it will take? It will take so much time. So these are some basic or like short trick to find a square. Okay, I hope you understand. And one more caution here, same here, if you got 4 digit, 1 digit you will carry here, like you need to add toward this number. Okay, so you can take one more glimpse of these things, all these things which we did. Okay, so I hope you understand all these things. And don't forget to comment this 87 square and 125 square in the comment section. I'll be waiting to see comment. Okay, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.